mixie and grinder, and he God is so great because I have bought it for namely for Mariamma dance. Okay, I'm going to see even the two leaf. This is the dhania leaf, and three leaves are there here. I had washed it everything. 30 rupees I bought it, even though on 4 rupees it is very costly now. What can I do? Because of corona they have increased the price. Before that we used to get it for once upon a time I have come to Mumbai. Then the cost is only 5 rupees only. It goes on, no job. That's only most of them they are stealing the property. What can they do? No work, all works are gone. Even educated also they don't have any work. And we have to appreciate our YouTube and Google. If I didn't get a job, I have lost my job. My son told me that one of the professors they have worked in one college, they used to give 1 lakh. Used to give 1 lakh for rent, and they have lost their job because of corona. And once in the private, they didn't give the salary. Now those working in a government college, they used to get a salary. And online here, because of they are open the mutton shop on street, near to street. It is a very tragedy one. But I and Google that. Very, 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 very thanks. 40 thanks. Infinite thanks, my Godfather. Because of you only now I am happy. I was sick little. Okay, sugar pressure is there, but because of tense also. Lost my health and everything. That is other problem. Even because of you only now I am getting a job. This is only the online job. But I am very proud to say that I am working under YouTube, under Google. I am a Godfather. But salary and money and everything that I will get. See, now if I work hard for 2 years, I will get monthly 5. So 5 channel mean nearly 30 lakhs I will going to get. Before my death, I think I believe that. Because I am doing hard work. There is also sacrifice. If I get a money also, not money also. What are the things I am having, I will give it to the world. As a sung a 40,000 song. Okay, so all of them are giving importance to him. So like this me also. If I get a money, I won't get a money. That is other problem. Because of my hard work, it won't be wasted, and God is also seeing. Our Godfather YouTube and Google also is seeing. Then I will get a benefit surely. As I am teaching for 4 languages in this world, also nobody can teach in that. Like me, nobody can teach like a combination of 4. But let all the people they have to know language, English for world, and Tamil for Tamilian, and Hindi for India, and Marathi for Maharashtrians. They let all they know the that all the language, and only they will come to know, understand the world. Like if you know English, then they see the English news and they will come to know. But whenever they come to know about the Tamil word, because so many videos are in Tamil, converted into same thing into some of the channels. Very good, excellent. So I want to translate the concept of this in English and Hindi and Marathi, I think. So all the people, they have to know about Hindi is also our Indian language. They have to know all the common language in India, 30 states. So without Hindi, we cannot come to know about what is the events happen in India as well as India only, at least. World mean in English. What are the things happening in India and world? English should be necessary. Happening in India, Hindi should be there. What are the things happening? Have to know about them. What is the things happening in Maharashtra? So like a Sujit Gates and everything, they have to know about it. Marathi, at least Hindi should be there. That is only this my aim to teach it, teaching even the events, like my life and direct experience by using this and previous knowledge. This both I used to teach it. Okay. I want to tell one thing. God is so great because I had this leaf and this leaf and this leaf, and see this is the Kottamali leaf. Okay, see. So this a combination of 2 leaves are there. So one is this neem leaf and this leaf, both I had bought it. So I have to remove, see, by using this small structure of the leaf, that is unshaped. Teacher can teach it. This also other unshaped leaf. Some of them, it is not symmetry. Okay, what I had made. So this is also a symmetry. Okay, see, mostly this leaf, if you draw, the tree doesn't have a weight. It is God had made. God is so great. This way they had made mean God doesn't maybe it is bending like. Okay, this is not bending. This small tree, small plants are not bending more. So this is my bend side weight will be going on. So not to maintain balance, only God had made this. I think that. And this by identification of this and symmetrical. This is symmetrical and symmetrical even though it is both unsighted figure. The teacher can explain about this unsighted figure God has made, but even God is so great, this figure is completely different from that flower. Why God has made it? We got easily we can pick up. Otherwise, if this neem leaf is same as this dhania leaf, how can I pick it? I cannot pick it. I cannot take it. So in plants to others, only God had made. Even in this world also, has done a mistake. If all the people are same thing, all the people they will get a punishment. And if only God had made all, inside the stomach, all. Okay, so that is our destiny. And I have born in Playgram and got married and college. So many problems like a story. That is our destiny. God had made inside the stomach also inside had made, and our death and everything is destinated, everything by God. See, and God is so great because like me, if anybody is there, so we could not identify one benefit might be going to bad thing also. One be blamed to other one instead of blaming others and resembles that because of same resemble figure, other also will be punished. So God is so great that God had made a different shape. See, these two says even though it is same, then I cannot identify to put it in a curry or sambar, and this we cannot put it. And this is have a taste, so we shouldn't put it in a sambar. So God is so great. If the two leaves are same, then how can I make? We cannot. Instead of the suppose see the two leaves are same. Instead of this I am putting this leaf. Then we cannot.